So ayan mga kapulisan nila, I'm sorry. Then ayan mga tourist din yan sila. May mga tour guide yan sila. Ako ayoko ng tour guide kasi pinag-aralan ko na po yung itong location na to. So diretso na lang tayo. Wala nang tour guide. O diba? Oh my God, we are here. St. Peter's Square, Piazza San Pietro. Punta tayong St. Peter's Square. Ayan. Nandito na tayo guys, at last. So guys, good morning. Meron tayong map dito. So pupunta tayong Ottaviano, going to Vatican. And pwede kayong kumuha dyan ng ticket. Bayad na lang kayo, swipe na lang kayo ng card. Then pasok tayo dito. Malapit lang naman sa hotel, 5 minutes away. Sige, bye-bye. Update ko kayo mamaya. So guys, ito is Stairway to Heaven. Welcome. Pupunta na tayo sa train station, sa metro. So the secret, if you don't know the place, just keep asking because they're very approachable in the area. And they will guide you as you have a map and just show it to them where you're gonna go. And we are here guys. I'll keep you updated later. Bye-bye. Punuan yung train ngayon, kaya makipagsiksikan tayo, tara. So guys, in just 5 minutes we reach on the location already. And we are in this train station. I put a timer so that I'll not get lost and you will get updated also for how many minutes the travel from my place until this location. So we are here. I'll keep you updated later. So nandito na tayo, pa-exit na tayo papunta. Museum, Vatican Museum. And we are here. So pagbaba natin sa train station, lakad lang tayo papunta doon museum. May maagian kayong Jollibee. Oh, 'di ba? Si Jollibee nandiyan. Perfect. So patuloy lang tayo. Pupunta akong Jollibee. Tara, hello Jollibee. Okay guys, akalain niyo nandito may Jollibee sa Italy. Nandito ako sa may Rome. Ay, hello po kuya. May mga Pilipino din dito. Opo. Ayun, may Jollibee. 'Di ba? Batang Jollibee ako eh. So nandito tayo. Perfect. Proud to be Pinoy. May Jollibee sa Italy. Hello guys, I meet with one couple Filipino here in Italy and of course, they're near Jollibee actually. I saw them.
From Calgary, Canada.
Okay, si ate, anong pangalan niyo pa?
Annabelle.
Si ate Annabelle at si Kuya Franco. I meet Andrew Laquachero here in Rome, Italy and we are nearby Vatican actually. Thank you so much guys and see ya. I'll keep you updated later. Oh! So, tapos na sila guys. Tayo naman. Kailangan na nilang umuwi kasi para sa atin na naman, okay? Update ko kayo mamaya pagdating natin doon sa Basilica. Bye. So ayan mga kapulisan nila, I'm sorry. Then ayan mga tourist din yan sila. May mga tour guide yan sila. Ako ayoko ng tour guide kasi pinag-aralan ko na po yung itong location na to. So diretso na lang tayo. Wala nang tour guide. O diba? Oh my God, we are here. St. Peter's Square, Piazza San Pietro. Punta tayong St. Peter's Square. Ayan. Nandito na tayo guys, at last. So ayan mga kapulisan nila, I'm sorry. Then ayan mga tourist din yan sila. May mga tour guide yan sila. Ako ayoko ng tour guide kasi pinag-aralan ko na po yung itong location na to. So diretso na lang tayo. Wala nang tour guide. O diba? Oh my God, we are here. St. Peter's Square, Piazza San Pietro. Punta tayong St. Peter's Square. Ayan. Nandito na tayo guys, at last. So we are currently in the St. Peter's Square guys, and that's amazing. There is a huge line in front of us, and actually the tickets to get inside there, it's all free and we don't need to pay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Hello guys, we are here in the St. Peter Square, right? And we are here in Vatican. I'm with our brother Satnam from India. Say hi to them.
Hello.
Say hi to all my workmates Indians in the Saudi Arabia.
Namaste.
Namaste. Bye-bye. Nice to meet you. So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng St. Peter Square. And ayun no, may message sila for say Pope Benedict. Perfect. We're going inside. So we are now near from the Basilica guys, and of course the Pope is not here. So we are here in the St. Peter Basilica guys, and we are in the St. Peter Square actually, and we're here. Welcome to Vatican, and this is Andrew Laquachero. Perfect. So, nandito na nga tayo sa loob ng St. Peter Square sa Basilica. I love it. Yeah. Guys, naswertehan tayo, pinabuksan yung malapit sa altar mismo, kaya nakalapit tayo dito. Ayan. Pagpasok namin, biglang binuksan yung area kung saan malapit yung altar. So, nandito na mismo tayo. Perfect. Ang ganda. God bless us all. So, we are inside. This is Andrew Laquachero and you are in my channel, guys. God bless. So, nandito tayo, guys, sa may altar banda. And itong area na to, papunta to sa tomb ng mga popes. Ayan, no. Ayan, may signage. Kaya knows lang nila. Bawal daw pumunta doon. Ayan. Tomb ng mga popes. Papunta doon sa loob. Sarado. Hindi pwedeng ma-access. I was lucky guys when I visited the place. So they have a mass and I was able to attend. At meron din ditong altar na pwede kayong mag-pray. Sarilinin ko na lang yung prayer ko, of course. Sa loob pala ng Basilica guys, bawal yung mag-cap. Pinapatanggal ng mga security sa labas, kaya just respect na lang. At saka yung candle nila, electricity, may electricity or ano, alam mo yung hindi siya natutunaw, on off gamit kuryente, di ba? Social. At syempre nandito tayo sa Italy, bumili ng mga pampasalubong with Ate Jingle here sa Souvenir Items store. Thank you te, bye bye. So guys, we just reached our hostel and this is the reception area. Hello.
Hello.
So welcome to
Giorgio Roma.
So and this is their, you know, dining area as well. So if you guys want to enjoy by night, morning, and just chatting with your friends, you can stay from here. So, ito naman yung mga rooms nila. May mga living area din dito. Ayan, ang gaganda. So, dito naman ako. So guys, nandito na tayo sa train station Termini sa my Rome. At nakakuha na tayo ng ticket dito sa booth. 14 euro papuntang Leonardo da Vinci Airport. So, see you guys. Number 24 platform. Bye-bye. So we are in the train station and train lead going to the Leonardo da Vinci Airport guys, and our luggage is there. So luggage area. So guys, we are currently here in the Fiumicino International Airport here in Leonardo da Vinci's Rome, Italy. So we just arrived and we will reach out for our flight, of course, successfully visiting Italy. And that would be all for today. Yes, thank you so much and bye-bye. This is Andrew Laquachero and God bless you. So we are searching for a flight going back to Bahrain guys, and connecting flight from Bahrain going to Saudi Arabia, and we are here. Okay, bye-bye. So we are here already in the line and we're going to check in our luggage already going to Bahrain guys. And this will be the end of our vlog for Italy and Vatican. And this is Andrew Laquachero. God bless you guys and have a safe journey. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and I'm gonna answer it once I have time. Thank you so much and God bless.